In this video, we are setting up OpenCode with Qwen 3.5 models, all running locally with Ollama. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. This request actually came through a member of the channel and I'm always happy to comply with the member's request. If you're also looking to support the channel and to have your requests on preference, please become a member. Also like the video and subscribe, and please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. So as I said, what we are going to do in this video is to first set up OpenCode, which is a fully open source provider agnostic alternative to Claude Code that runs entirely in your own terminal. Just like Claude Code, OpenCode is an agentic coding tool that can read, write, edit, and execute code in your projects autonomously. We already have covered OpenCode a lot. Now, what we are going to do here is a bit different from the Claude Code. OpenCode is not tied to any single AI provider, which is really great. It works with Claude, OpenAI, Google, and most importantly, local models. And that is exactly what we are going to do in this video. We are going to use this Ubuntu system, and I am going to use this GPU card. And I have this model running with Ollama, which is Qwen 3.5, 35 billion mixture of expert model. But if you're looking to run any other Qwen 3.5 model, you can simply replace this model in name. If you want to learn about these models in more detail, thorough testing and various other angles, just search my channel. Also, just yesterday I did another video where I integrated this Qwen 3.5 running using llama.cpp locally with Claude Code. If you're interested in that video, also search the channel. So let's get right into it. And one more thing, if you are looking to rent a GPU just like me on fraction of cost, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. So first up, let's install this OpenCode. Again, very similar command to what we have in Claude Code, just a single install command which runs a bash script to get this thing installed. And it's almost there. And there you go, our OpenCode is now installed and it has also added the path there. And one more thing, if you don't know what Ollama is, how to download the models, because sometimes we assume that everyone knows, just go to Ollama, run this command for Linux and Ollama will be installed, and then you can go to the models. From models, let's say you can go to Qwen 3.5 and then run this command, which is going to download the model and run it on your local system, and that is what we are doing here. You can, by the way, directly load it with OpenCode, but let's not go there at the moment, I think, because then it is not as flexible as what we are doing, but that works too. Okay, let's go back to our terminal and then let's configure further. Now, in order to create and run this, I'm just going to create this config file so that it would be available globally. I mean all the configuration. Let me now create that configuration, which is going to tie up this OpenCode with our Ollama based model. Let me open it in the VS Code to show you properly. And this is what it looks like. All we are doing, we are just giving it our Ollama based model. As you can see here, it's API endpoint, which is a default one. If you're running Ollama on any other system, on any other port, just replace it. And for the model, all you need to do is to just change this thing and you can just replace it with any other model of your choice. And from here, now you can kick off your OpenCode by simply running this OpenCode command. It is going to load the OpenCode, and there you go. And if you press Control P here, then you can switch the model, you can switch the provider. So for example, if I just click here, switch model, and then if from my downward arrow key, you see this is a local Ollama model at purple and it is running, it means, and it is using that Qwen 3.5 35 billion at the moment. And as I said, if you have multiple models, even with Ollama, you can just use them from here, or you can use any other one, and then you can just start chatting with it like anything. From your model, you can fix your code, create code, whatever you like. So for instance, I have just asked it to list all the files in this directory. It has thought for a moment, and then after thinking, it has run that shell command, and then it has given us all the files in this directory. And if you see it in my VS Code, all the okay, sorry, it's not showing here. Let me quickly show you that directory. So this is the directory and these are the files, and if you just compare it to what this OpenCode has produced with the help of Ollama based model, all the files are there. So what it tells you that OpenCode has full access to your terminal and your system. So you have to be very security conscious. I'll be talking a bit more around it towards the end, but you can see that you can run those files. You can check it out. So for example, you can say summarize c.py file for me, please. And then it is going to use that Qwen3.5. It is thinking, it is reading that file, and it is just telling me exactly that what it is there in that file. Maybe I could just make it that bit bigger. Sorry, my mouse is just not that well today. There you go. It looks pretty good to me. And you can just ask it, can you run that file in browser, just to see if that it has that tool or not. Normally, these tools are not available. So because it's a Python file, I'll say how about index.html in same directory. Can you open it in browser? And OpenCode also comes with some of the tooling. So if you install that tool, it is going to open it for you. And then it is asking me, would you like me to show you what's in that? Of course, you can start chatting with it. Let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption. I'm not sure if the model would be loaded or not. There you go. It is loaded. So just touch over 33 gig of VRAM. This model is consuming, but of course, you can go with the lower models too. So that's it. It was that easy to connect these things. And before I wrap up, a quick word on security. Tools like OpenCode and Cloud Code are agentic, meaning they can autonomously read, write, and execute code on your own machine without asking for approval every time. So never run them on a system with sensitive data unless you trust the model and understand what it is doing. But the thing is that with Ollama based models, normally everything stays on your own machine, but you never know about these agentic stuff because it might be using some tool or MCP to just go out. So make sure you understand that security comes first. It is your own responsibility, and you need to be aware of each and everything your code is doing. So that's it. OpenCode connected to Qwen3.5, 35 billion, running fully locally on your own machine, completely free and completely private. If you found this useful, smash the like button and subscribe because we have been covering local AI, open source tooling, and practical setups like this regularly. Drop a comment if you run into any issues, and I'll try my best to help you out. And of course, if you want the priority, please become a member. And again, huge shout out to all of the members who are supporting the channel. I'm very grateful, genuinely. And follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you.